ka channel hin vezing zo se welcome kan bolin HSLC physics simplified the series kan anapan ki no hitin hichi physics question hong ki bol achi sa ho a hi han lang a hi lo wal expected question ho solve hin ki bol ki ding hin hichi chung chu na chu basics of physics he thei dinga dol lom ta ho yong discuss hong ki bola explain hong ki bol ding hin tu nin jong electricity lesson a konin basic them khat ane veutin hi cha ko na chun expected question a hi lowa hele an chi so question ang discuss an bolity electricity head na dinga hin most important diagram akipat na pen cha dang im cha hi pon tu a hung ki pi hi hin hi chi diagram hin thil tam ta explain a ball in hi diagram understand ball the ho dinga question tam ta electricity related na ko na question answer ball ying the hin chi hi switch ai lo le ki switch song hi dinga hin open switch an ka ko hin close song hi the chi hi le resistance hin chi voltmeter hin chi hi ammeter hin ale chi battery hong hin asaw pa hi positive hin achom pa hi negative hin he ating la chalaya hin direction of charge e chi hi negative to positive hong hin direction of current hi positive to negative hong hin jo si yung highlight ka ga bolin ai pele masa pen a discuss in bol dingu chu what is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a closed continuous path where current flows. In Jordan switch in a switch identify in a ball when he switch identify a ball pau chu close ahong hi ting lehin hi circuit circuit ni ball kaya connected hong hi ding ahin hi connected so connect ahong hi ting le chun current chu hong chi thei ding ahin hi part chu electric circuit kiti abanin current hi ipiham charge upon time or it is the amount of charge that flows per unit time ahin ale chilaya heading khatchu scientists on alole phatma sa chun current chu ailwale Thomas Alva Edison hon current chu bulb and the same do wa current man cha ji an head wang over chun current hi huilai ko na iti hung ki panham ti pa chu an hepo win hi ji chun mo hin direction of current hi conventional direction of current hi positive to negative and hi sa hin but current chu ipia ko na hum do ham ti ale free electron or electrons a ko na hum do hin ale hi free electron bo chun current chu his free electron to negatively charged particle in his negatively charged particle akona bo chu current hung ki form the in ale negatively charged particle chu positive terminal am the lo hin negative terminal ding hin ale hi actual flow of charge hung hin hi now current is defined as it is the amount of charge that flows per unit time part akipe sunga alo le part khat sunga chu charge izat chu flow hi theyam chu current ne he ale SI unit of current chu hile ampere hin ale 1 ampere chu iti define na bol diham iti hile 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb of charge upon 1 second second khat sunga chu 1 coulomb of charge circuit na chu flow ahilo al conductor chu flow hi theya hile chun 1 ampere kiti he so SI unit of current is 1 is ampere and 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge by 1 second or you can also say if 1 coulomb of charge flows in 1 second we say the current is 1 ampere abanin one of the most important definition or topic chipam ti hale potential difference akitin ale ipiham potential difference potential difference chu head by pending achun tui hi asanga ko na high pressure ako na low pressure at tui alun bang akun charge song chu high potential ako na chu low potential abo chu charge flow hi the hin if two terminals have the same potential, charge will not flow. Example ga la thei chu I battery ho hi abeita iti tiang lo kun ipiham a meaning chu positive charge positive terminal le a negative terminal hu a potential ki bangti nahi. So for current to flow, potential difference has to be maintained between the two terminals, the positive and the negative terminal. Now charge chu negative terminal akuna positive terminal chu ahung teng le bo chun current chu flow hung hi the ahin ahile this charge and charge can be quantified or hichi terminal khana kona eho het by penachun terminal khana kona terminal khachu mun khachu han pha dinga hi le chun na to beya chu hichi chamchama chi the hi lo ji chun hichi amount of work done to move a unit charge from one terminal to another terminal is known as potential difference. So quantified hum ki bola hi cha kona chu amount of work done a quantified hum ki bola hin ale. So potential difference is represented by V, and SI unit is also V or volt. Then potential difference equal to work done upon charged. Ale tun 1 volt to iti define ki bol dham tiele 1 joule of work done upon 1 coulomb of charge. So if 1 coulomb of charge flows in if 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charge from one terminal to another terminal, we say the potential difference is 1 volt. Aban na chal ki no hitin to ahi question hichi topic in discuss na wa ko na hi question hong ki dong thei chi pham te ale what constitute current na what constitute current ti ale free electron or free electrons. Why do a battery or a cell is always included in electric circuit? Why do he loading hin why is hitting a hin ap hile metric exam question at hiti hin an kepi in as kin kan type zing hin am kepi dung zuin. A cell or a battery is always connected to an electric circuit. Give reason. Battery ay lo la cell hi ipibola ki ngai cha ham hi cha battery hi ipibola ngai ham hi power source hi ne hi potential difference to create a bola hi dungzuya to power supply a ball hi electron to move a ball electron to move hung hi the hung chi the hi chu a battery or a cell is always included in electric circuit to create a potential difference between the terminals. Additional question jong ane vea within a diagram mama namang chakining kating akidong sa question hinchi you are provided a resistor, a voltmeter, a battery and a key. Draw an electric circuit using given components that may be used to measure the potential difference across the resistor. Draw a series circuit diagram used by symbols containing the following electrical components: a battery, an electric bulb, an open switch, a rheostat. Ama sa pahi hi le hi diagram hi man cha yeng the hin aling set jing in to hi diagram hin resistor iti le chi resistor hitan, voltmeter iti le chi voltmeter hitan, battery iti le chi battery hong hitan, key iti le chi chalaya hin key hin coiler hin chu a diagram cha aling jing in ani chen na pa ading ayong hin open switch iti le chi open switch hitan, battery iti le hetawin hi electric bulb ati ji chun hi cha hi resistor khela hi bulb hin coiler chun di jing ding hin chuting le rheostat hi chalai dung khana hin series ati yes question and clearly mention about to series circuit diagram ati yes series in either chalai dung ham hoi lai ha ong lai khana chu series a switch jo wa hi na ko ya hi yong le thing se ding hi abana question chu difference between cell and a battery. Battery le cell difference hi piham. Shell iti ale it's a single unit, whereas a battery is a combination of shell. Shell iti ting lechun ga explain be dingin hicha positive khat le negative khat se se hi hichi teni se se hi au ma le shell kiti hin hichi tabang chu ni le thuba hong ki gop ting lechun battery kiti hi. Conventional direction of current I and direction of charge. Ale in zolang ngayong chin na say tawin conventional of direction of current to positive terminal to negative terminal hin actual flow of charge to negative terminal to positive terminal. Ale type of connection of emitter and voltmeter. It's a type of connection isay masanguvin emitter le voltmeter him ep a ball ham. Emitter hile it's an instrument that measures the amount of current flowing through a circuit. Emitter is an instrument or a device that measures the amount of current flowing through a circuit. And voltmeter it measures potential difference across the conductor. Emitter chu current measurable ding zichun, it is always connected in series. Emitter is always connected in series, whereas voltmeter is always connected in parallel. So diagram yung akichi iyengin si parallel hin hichi conductor elo le resistor potential difference hi measurable hin chi as voltmeter hi parallel connect hin atil heading ukhatsu emitter hi ideally we want the resistance of an emitter to be 0. Of course, which it is not possible to attain 0 resistance for the emitter, but then ideally we want emitter to have 0 resistance, whereas potential difference of voltmeter will have high potential. Channel dong subscribe ani na ball pivin lang, like, share, comment dong ball pivin lang. Video aban jong hung umkit ding ihin electricity lesson hi series iyan ham khana hung ki ball ding ihin aban video yung ananga jingo hitin video produce ga ball jong hi abai pon ipihile student hon ipat jong pithei na te ding wa chu hin ki ball ihin lukset in channel subscribe le bell notification jong nihin me pivin lang video tha hung ki upload ting le notified ni thei na dingwin chan chu hang hin tin tu ni a physics electricity basic questions lawa le basics of physics tam khadiga ki hilnawa chan chu hi ka ki pa